The winter session of the Parliament has been a successful session in terms of the business that got transacted on the floor of the House, in terms of the bills that were presented, in terms of the bill that got passed on the floor of the House. And apart from that, the overall productivity has also been really good this time around, as the productivity of the House in the lower house of the Parliament was 111%, and the productivity of Rajya Sabha, the House of the Elders, was 112%. Apart from that, important legislation also got passed. One of them was the VBG Ramji bill that got passed in both the houses of the Parliament, and in lower house of the Parliament, 98 member of Parliament participated in that discussion, in that debate on VBG Ramji bill, and many first timer and new MPs also got an opportunity to speak on the floor of the House. Generally, we do see that these new MPs, the first timers, have got some grouse that they don't get that much of opportunity to speak on the floor of the House. But when you've got 98 speakers speaking on one specific bill, then that gives opportunity to many first timers and new MPs to speak on the floor of the House. Apart from that, one important this piece of legislation, the VBG Ramji bill, got passed in the lower house of the Parliament, and the discussion went on till after even 1 a.m. after 1 a.m. And in the lower house of the Parliament also, the discussion went on after midnight, and the bill got passed after midnight. So in both the houses of the Parliament, we saw our parliamentarians burning the midnight oil to get these bills passed on the floor of the House. Apart from that, two important debates or discussion. One was on the completion of 150th year of Vande Mataram, the national song. Debate, a discussion took place on that, and 82 members of Parliament participated in Rajya Sabha on Vande Mataram. And apart from that, one important discussion was on electoral reforms, as opposition has been demanding a debate on SIR, and in the previous session, the session completely got washed out because government said that it can't get a discussion held on the floor of the House about the working or the functioning of an autonomous body, which is Election Commission of India. However, this time around, a discussion was held on electoral reforms, in which the SIR issue was also raised by the opposition MPs, and government also did talk about whatever electoral reforms has taken place. So in lower house of the Parliament, electoral reforms debate went on for 13 hours, and 63 MPs participated in that debate. Apart from that, 59 private members bill were there in Rajya Sabha, and in Lok Sabha, 137 private members bill were there. And apart from that, 408 urgent important matters were raised in lower house of Parliament. So these are urgent matters that that MPs do give a notice and then raise on the floor of the House. In this session of the Parliament, we saw that politicians or parliamentarians across the political spectrum did raise about the issue of pollution, and apart from that, several other important issues of urgent matter were raised, specifically in both the houses. But in lower house of the Parliament, the number was 408. The total number of the sittings were 15, and 92 hours the Parliament, the Rajya Sabha sat for 92 hours, and in Lok Sabha the overall the proceedings went on for 92 hours and 25 minutes. So it's been a successful session of Parliament in terms of the bills that got passed, and apart from that, the business that got transacted. Two important bills, specifically, the bills that the common man was curious one was the VBG Ramji bill, and the other one was the Sustainable Harnessing and Advancement of Nuclear Energy Bill 2025. So these two bills got passed, apart from other 6 important bills that got passed in this session of Parliament.